Possible planet to say some bit. That, yes, yes. It's back. Hey y'all, Xavier here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching episode 3 of this new season of Doctor Who. It's called The Well. So it says far in the future, on a devastated mine colony, the Doctor and Belinda face absolute terror. Alright, so my right eye here, I don't know, got irritated early in the day, and I don't know, I'm just powering through. I don't feel 100%, but already late because it's there is carnival, and then I have to study for this like exam thing that I'm doing and all that. So this is being recorded late. It's being put up late. Sorry for that. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get into it.
No! Hit by a meteor or swatted by a giant moth?
Imagine a moth that big.
Oh no, not good.
My dad sings and everyone laughs, and then the whole room ends up singing. Is that still happening, Doctor?
We don't know, Belinda.
You can't promise.
What could mean? I can.
Ah,
Will.
big bad talk. Yeah.
Right, so good, girl.
Is there still a human race in 500,000 years?
Good question.
Far and wide, across the stars.
But yeah, the humans were at the end of existence, so obviously they're 500,000 years in the future.
Do we get to change our clothes?
Girl, you are beginning to enjoy this.
She is beginning to enjoy it. A little. Okay, kinda wild. But how did they have helmets ready for them, and how did they put the right suit to put on or whatever? That's not tracking for me. But also, I've heard that this is like a sequel to a previous episode. I just saw it on somebody's YouTube title. I have no context for anything, but I guess I'll find out. The Well. I guess the suit thing, you could just say the TARDIS knows.
Look.
What are we looking at, Doctor? Ooh. Nice.
I'm higher than Chinchapa, see?
Apologies. In the sky. Immediately. Well, how do we do that?
What do you mean?
Which will take how long?
5 hours.
Ah, okay.
Imagine I don't know anything about this mission.
Because you don't?
We can't scan for heartbeats because of the radiation, so there's still hope.
Hope is irrelevant. Thank you.
Oh, well, alright. Good to know.
Could something live underground?
Impossible. That radiation soaks through everything. Right down to the core. I'm just not loving the look, babes. I come in peace.
It's not appropriate to call me babes.
Oh, this. Oh, jeez, I thought it was.
Or broken everything.
Oh,
This one is laser fire.
laser fire or broken bodies. Interesting.
Every single room, there's no mirrors.
Probably for a good reason.
Oh, brother.
Half of them have been shot. Half of them have been assaulted.
Did they kill themselves?
Where is that?
The ones who were shot? To save being assaulted?
Could be surviving.
Could be the killer.
It could be both.
Aye. Yep. Very, very knowledgeable there, Doctor. Very wise.
That's I shot her, right? I did it, but she was gonna kill me.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I need you to keep everything audible, no private conversation.
Yeah, please. Sorry, I don't know sign language. I can't.
A nurse who can't sign. That's against the law.
Why did they smash all the mirrors? It's okay. It's okay. Well, be careful of her.
I can still look British.
Thanks, but I don't know what any of this is. You're a funny sort of nerd.
That's so kind.
Well, part of the job as a nurse. Okay, why does she look shifty? Something not right. Something not right. That's all.
Wait!
Capable of hauling up 2 blades of carbon-46 every day.
Did this strike something in their last thing that brought up?
But Earth is part of the Foundation right now. That's a fact.
Your tests are very strange. Now, see if you can revive the
Because Earth, the May 24 or whatever that date is, Earth disappears.
Have you ever heard of
What? What is it?
What is it? What happened?
I thought I saw.
Yeah, I did see something. Like something moved behind her.
Have you ever met any? Humans, I mean.
I never heard of you.
Her. Okay, wait. Something inside her. Something about I've never heard of you. Yeah, weird.
What's that thing?
Magic. Can you find the last entry?
And he said to me that everyone.
Yeah, I did see. I saw it. I saw it.
Look at me. I'm all clean.
No.
It's a great big empty room. There can't be anything, can there?
But there is something. Yeah.
Whoa!
See? Yeah.
There's nothing there. Look, I can see there's not anything. There's literally nothing.
I saw something. And you saw it before. You did. You saw it.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, but I saw something.
Don't know what it is. We don't know what it is. Like,
Wait, is this from the pit? Is this a follow-up to the pit? That
old head.
the Impossible Planet. This
What was it before?
It was an exotic star, but that's ancient history. 400,000
Yeah.
And the definition of that is?
diamonds. This is a diamond mine. The entire surface of this planet was once made out of diamond.
Yeah.
What?
Impossible Planet. Say some bit. That. Yes. It's back.
I saw that going differently in my mind.
Or what? What is this planet called?
Or she'll have to kill you.
The old name. 400,000 years ago, what was the planet called?
The Impossible Planet.
It was called Midnight.
What?
I've been here before.
Oh, I was thinking the wrong thing. It's midnight.
What did you do?
It wasn't me. It wasn't her. Mo, come back. Just listen to me. Come back here. She's dead.
Did you kill her?
No!
Then who did?
There's something behind me. All right?
Yes.
Something behind me. I don't know what it is. No one knows what it is.
Permission to override the orders of this civilian mom.
Permission not given.
Hannah was my friend.
Permission not given.
Chill out, bro.
If it was a clock face, you die at midnight.
Oh, wow.
That's why I keep telling you, stand back. Don't go behind her. Don't.
Nice. The midnight connection.
Because if you kill me, it go behind you?
Obviously, bro. Idiot.
You think it went for me first? You think it crawled its way out of hell to get to me? You idiot!
And I met something so vile. It had no face, no name, no self. Oh,
Yeah?
it played games.
Turned everybody against each other.
And I'm declaring a red code.
Oh, you can't do that.
This is exactly what a red code is for. Am I seconded? Yes, sir. Then it's done. I think that we should all just calm down. And you will be silent or you will be shot.
Idiot. Oh, boy. He's gonna get them all killed.
If necessary, we will destroy it.
Alright, big bro. Let's see. See? It might get everybody killed, like I said. Damn.
It's not my fault.
It's not, no. We know. We the audience know. And the doctor knows.
I'm sorry.
I would make that decision as leader too. I would leave her behind.
I don't.
I'm sorry. I would. I understand. Unless somebody else could come up with a better idea.
We can't leave Alice behind.
Can't we move her?
Don't turn your back on me. Please don't turn your back on me.
She can't read you what you're saying.
Who are you?
Is he gonna answer?
What are you? Maybe that's how you survived. You can't hear it. He knows my name.
Your actual name? Okay, doctor, you scaring me. What's it? Hello? Doc?
Behind that.
What did you see?
The way out.
I am talking to that thing behind Alice Fenley, you stone-cold murderer. If the thing behind you always gets destroyed, what if the thing behind you is you?
I'm extremely confused.
We're gonna see it. Do we look?
Do we look away?
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know.
Okay, run!
Helmets!
Whoa! It's behind one of them now.
We can't.
You don't think?
Did the shuttle... Oh, okay. So they got away. Good.
It's not me.
You don't know if it's you. It's you, Belinda. Is that the Belinda or the doctor?
I don't think it's me.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
It's not your fault.
If you just set her free.
Okay, something's moving behind her. Is it behind her?
I ran as a child
Oh man.
to bring hope.
Like Adelaide from Waters of Mars.
It's gone.
And Shia,
She's gone too.
what's happened to the earth?
It's gone, bro. It's gone.
Troop leader Shia should be recommended for posthumous recognition. Bravery in the face of impossible odds. We thought he was sent by you. He's got this sort of cargo.
Oh,
Just as I predicted, a vindicator in action. That's very good news.
it's the big bad that corporation that was saw in the Christmas special and in last season. I don't remember the name of the corporation. Whatever.
Nothing.
Don't do that.
What is it?
Alright, so that was The Well, and it was a great sequel to Midnight. I was thinking it was the Impossible Planet Satan Pit that the episodes, but I don't remember. I know the thing got kind of trapped, but I can't remember the circumstances around that. So I wasn't too sure. I know they locked it up somewhere. So yeah, but I do know at midnight they got rid of the thing by was inside that lady, and the flight attendant and the lady jumped out with the thing. So that's how they got rid of it. And I had no idea what was happening. What was happening? This was extremely well done. We had the classic thing of somebody thinking they will move better. I did not. I kind of expected it, but I wasn't sure I was gonna play it. I knew there was gonna be disagreement and stuff about what to do, and like people would turn on each other and everything. That happened with that second in command Cassio overruling Shia, and you saw earlier in the episode how he was like, should we really let this guy talk? Should we really let him have authority here? But you saw Shia, she was like, hold up, this guy clearly has some inkling of what he's talking about. He seems knowledgeable. He's got the approval from command. So, you know what? Let me just listen to him until just to be safe. I don't know what's gonna happen. So she was wise, but then he was like, he's like some kind of guy. He's like, I have to do something right now. Nothing's happening. So I'm just gonna take control. I'm just gonna bully somebody into agreeing with me trying to take leadership. Somebody agreed, yo, me and you, we're gonna do something. They did something. They got themselves killed and they got some other people killed. Like what, 4 or 5 other people killed also. Cause he was just like, I don't know what to do. It's a blah blah blah, rush running around and I think the casting thing is allows whoever the person who's controlling to cast directly to them, so they have to pay direct attention to them, something like that. So if I go this way, then you have to do the corresponding thing. So like bam bam bam, that kind of thing. So that's why when Shia said cast to him, and he turned and Shia stepping directly in front of something there, that's what happened. That's how it worked, and that's how Cassio got that guy killed first. I think that's how it worked. That makes sense. I think that's what happened. So at the end, we also saw Mrs. Flood. She showed up back. She's now the what's the name of the corporation? I think Villengard is involved somehow because she said, "Oh, he's a vindicator." She said, okay, so I thought it was Villingard. It might not be Villingard. It might be involved, but I don't know. But yeah, so the Vindicator shot Vortex Indicator comes like, wait, the Doctor wouldn't use something from Villingard after he's been so against them. So it's definitely something about the Vortex Indicator. Something to do with time that she is trying to. She's gonna wait until he can go back to May 24, and then that's gonna kick off something. So once he's traveled all around, and then like the when that happens, bam, boom, bam, bam, the planet erupts. And so yeah, the thing where the Susan from last season thing where she shows up in every episode, that is the Batwolf kind of thing. That's what they did kind of last season with the Susan. So Mrs. Flood, Mrs. Flood is taking place of Susan. And but she did say in Christmas special that she'd be showing up and stuff like that. So yeah. And the actress did give some statements or something for season 1 that there's some overall bigger plan that she knows about. So at the end there was the thing back with Trooper 3. I don't remember the name of the character. Was the thing back with them? I don't think so. Then the captain would have killed herself for no reason. So that would suck. But I doubt it. I think that person on the ship was just seeing something, but they weren't actually seeing anything. But it could be a nice callback for something in the future. Or maybe this season. I don't know. Possibilities are open. But yeah. That twist that it was the creature from midnight, loved it. Cause I'm there naming Impossible Planet thing, but nope, it was midnight. Okay, so bada bing bada boom, makes sense. So there's nothing there for it to, cause people were saying, how can a thing exist? And so but it exists, but there's nothing that can survive out there, but it survived. So obviously it would survive the whole planet dying and everything. And so it makes sense. But we still didn't get to see what it looks like. The Doctor saw it. I think Belinda saw it too. But no can do for the artist. We just saw bits and pieces. So I'm sure if somebody slows it down, I get screenshots and they might see something like Brighton might be able to figure something out, but I can't do that right now. So maybe we'll see. But yeah, good episode. Best one so far. Genuine suspense. Genuine tension. Nice drama. Some good story beats. Can I think of any problems? No, I can't really think of any issues right now. Being honest, it's just genuine and great episode. So how did it start out? The Doctor and Belinda trying to from last episode, they're trying to get back. Oh yeah, let us remember something. Trying to get back, not working. They get going 500 years, 500,000 years in the future. They end up on the planet. They end up in the mission. In the mission, they get the reading. Bam. They're joining the mission. Uses the second paper. Belinda didn't ask about that. She saw it, but she didn't ask. It was that a cutscene or something? Because we saw her reaction to it. Maybe, I don't know. Right, so they're doing the thing, they're exploring the wonder why are these people. Some hurt themselves and some shot, what's happening. But yeah, it makes sense why some were broken up and some were shot, because when they turned around or whatever, or something go behind them, or this and that. That's how it happened. So understood. And then find Alice. Whole thing erupts. People start dying. They manage to get Alice to safety, but then Belinda gets shot and Shia sacrifices herself. And yeah, and so in all that we learned that human race doesn't exist anymore. Planet Earth doesn't exist anymore, and so it all links to this May 24, 2025 date, which is looming, and we're gonna find out more then. Yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah, so great episode. Enjoyed it. Looking forward to more. Yeah. Goodbye.